In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your stored passwords on Google Chrome. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you need to do, so go ahead, open up your Google Chrome browser. Then just go ahead to the top right, then click on the three dots. And then just scroll down and click on Settings. After that, just go ahead, click on Autofill and Passwords. And just go ahead, click on Google Passwords Manager. And here you will find all your Start Passwords, websites, and Google Chrome passwords. So this was an easy and quick process video on how to find your Start Passwords on Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.